Welcome students, welcome back to our channel Nagesh Kurazgi Orchid School. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you SST subject for grade 4. So in the last episode we have discussed about lesson number 8, that is our climate of our country, isn't it? That is part 1, we have finished it. So today we are going to start with the part 2. So before starting up, shall we do recap of what we have studied in that lesson? Okay, fine. What we have studied, just we will do a recap. Now, first of all, what is our lesson name? The climate of our country. Okay, part 2. So, before that, we will do a revision. So, what we have discussed in that lesson? We have discussed about the two parts, that is weather and the climate, isn't it? Yes. Now dear students, can you all tell me what is weather? Yes? Can you all tell me what is weather? Yes, that is, you are telling me, that is very correct. That is sunny, hot, windy. What you are explaining, what is happening in the sky, in the air surrounding. So that is weather. Okay, what we are like, it is rainy day, it is sunny day. So these all things called as weather. Very good. So again one more question, that is climate. What is climate? Can you all tell me students? Yes, climate means what? The weather conditions where it is happening somewhere else, in a particular place or in a particular area. So you are telling me about that weather telecast. So that is known as climate, isn't it? So for example, can you all tell me one example? Can you give? Yes, sure, that is correct. Himalayas, correct, in Shimla. So what is the, can you tell me that is weather or the climate? Yes, definitely correct, that is climate condition. It is cold, it is, or a snowfall is there in mountains, in Himalayas. So that is climate. So let us know, let us see that. So weather, when you say it is cold today or it is rainy day, we are talking about the weather. So what are the conditions? See here, it is winter, okay, cold, and it is windy, and it is rainy, and this is hot. These are all about the weather conditions. Okay, now let us see the definitions. Can you all tell me the definition, students? Yes. So the weather means the conditions in the air above the earth, such as wind, rain or temperature, especially at a particular time over a particular area. So we have understood about the weather. So now we will go up to the next part, that is climate. What is climate, students? Yes, can you all tell? The climate means to the weather conditions of a large area taken a long period of time. So can you see? Yes, when it is say very cold in the Himadri, the coastal plains are warmer and humid. You are talking about the climate. When this part, which is very far from us, so we are talking about them. So it is very Himadri, it is very cold. Now we are sitting and telling about that condition. So that is known as climate. And whereas coastal also, whereas coastal place, it is warm. It is warm and humid. So we are talking about the climate. Very good, students. Now tell me, we have come across a new point, that is humid. What is humid? See, the air, the waterfall is there on that. Can you see this vapor? Yes, that is nothing but a moisture or a humid. So when this water, when it's starting, and when we sit here also, Beside that, this whatever vapor is there, vapor consists water, isn't it? That is humid. Now in coastal plain I said it is warmer. See, breeze. The climate of a place, we have discussed this also. The climate of a place mainly depends on the following. How it is free breeze depend on the following are they, that is equator. Yes, now what is equator? An imaginary line drawn and our earth it is making into two halves, that is equator. Now northern part of India it is very colder than South India. Yes, when India is there, that south part we having four direction, isn't it? Upper part is north, south, east, west. So now upper part, northern part, what we are having students? Yes, almost all mountains. So mountains mean what? It is colder or it is hot? Obviously it is cold. So it is cooler than South India. Now how high it is? It is higher a place, the colder it is. For example, when we go to Himalayas or the mountains, when we try to climb the mountains, how you feel? It will cooler and cooler when you, as you go up. Okay, and when you are climbing that, when you are down, it is cool. As you try to climb that, so what it becomes? It is more cooler. Okay. Now Himalayas, see this. Isn't it very cool? Okay, but when you try to climb here, it is becomes more cooler. Now how far it is from the sea also? The winds from the sea affect the climate of the place. Has it here? The climate also depends on winds as effect of the sea. The coastal plains are neither too hot or not too cold. Is here, whereas a coastal plain where waters are there, rivers are there, isn't it? Seas are there. So what happens here? Almost water is there. Due to that, can we say that it is almost hot? No, it is not too hot or not too cold. It is moderate because of the sea breeze. So yesterday we have discussed about this point also, what is breeze, isn't it? Now the plant and animal life also depends on the weather conditions. How? See here. The climate life found in the place and the food what they eat and the what they wear, it depend on the climate of the place. See here. See, these are different type of animals are there and living in different places. Can we do this when we take this tiger or leopard? Can we put here in the water? It can live? No, it will obviously it will die because these animals are suitable to that climate conditions only. Okay, for example, fishes are there. Can we take that fish and keep in our fish pond? It will live? It will live for a little few days, isn't it? And later on it will die. For example, seal, can we bring and keep? No, it is not possible. Penguin? No, because the penguins live in the all cool places, isn't it? It is depends on the all climatic conditions also. Now in the last episode we have discussed about the seasons. How many seasons are there, students? Yes, there are 3 seasons. What are they? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. Very good, 3 seasons. So let us see here. So how you can tell me the seasons? The seasons are some of the hot weather you experience few months, a few months of rainy weather and a few months of cool. So this weather patterns is nothing but a seasons. Okay, now first of all discussed about the summer season. Now rainy, winter. Now let us see, these all few months pattern is there. So each of these divisions have of the year that have a particular weather patterns are called as seasons. Now, India has the three main seasons during what we have discussed, that is summer, rainy and winter. Now, general weather conditions we can during these seasons determine the climate of the place. So, first of all, we will go for a summer. Okay, now dear children, we have completed our this part. Now tell me, when the summer season starts? Yes, the summer season starts in March. In March or April and continues till May or June. So whenever our summer season starts, when our summer seasons, usually you will know when your annual exams will finish it, isn't it? Yes, and when it will finish, most probably our summer season starts from the March or April and continues till how much it may be? May or June. So it is very easy for your children that when your school reopens, yes, that is in the month of June. Very good. So summer season starts from the March or April and end till May or June. So here ends here and our school starts June 9th, isn't it? Yes. Now come to the point of South India. Okay, south part of India map, it starts becoming hot in March. In March month it start becoming hot in where the south part. Okay, and stays till hot after May also. March and May. Okay, March it starts becoming very hot in south part until it will be May. March, April, May, 3 months weather pattern, isn't it students? March, April, May, till May it will stay. How many months? 3 months. March, April, May, 3 months. We have discussed that weather patterns may be 3 months, isn't it? Yes. Now we go for it. So north part, we have discussed south. Okay, now north, when it starts summer in the month of April. Here children, here different is there. South it starts in the month of March, whereas south down part. Now come to the point of north, whereas mountains are the northern part. So it starts the month of April. April, April, and goes till on June and July. Okay, it starts in the month of April and ends maybe June or July, it may be. Okay, so north part April, south part March. Okay, now summer. Summer means what? Hot season. Yes, you feel very hot. What do? What do you prefer? You prefer hot, juices, cold juices you drink, and you want to go summer vacations to your native place, to beach and everywhere, isn't it? Now dry, how the land will be? Yes, it will be dry. It almost, summer season means you will feel thirsty, you will feel hot, as in land also become hot, air also become very hot. Due to the hotness, what happens? Seas, rivers, it will dry up, isn't it? It will dry. Can you see children? Yes. So most of the part is dry except the mountains. Yes, in India mountains, it will dry? No, because we having all through mountains, it will not dry. Now sun is very hot, yes, and days are longer. Due to that summer season, what happens? The days or the day morning it starts and end with the night. The day is there, it is very long, it will not end up only, and longer than nights. Nights are short. When you sleep, no, when you sleep and when you get up, what happens? This whatever the time is there, that will be very short. Night to morning, very small. In the morning to night, it becomes, the day is very longer. Now, hot dry winds called, that whatever hot air is there, what happens? That is called as loo. Loo, L-O-O, loo. Blow in the northern plains. Now, what is hot air winds? Hot air winds means when you switch on, when you go outside, when you come back to your home, how you feel? You will be very tired, you want a fan also, you feel like hot, isn't it? Yes. So, the dry winds, the air also becomes very hot. The hot dry winds called loo blow in the northern plains. Now, what is dust storm? Here dust means what? Whatever the dust is coming out, that is dust. Storm means that it is like a cyclone type storm. What is that? Dust storms are also common in this region. Northern part, northern plains, dust storm is very common. So let us see that what is dust storm also. The coastal plains are not so hot in summer because of the sea. Because of the sea over there, here the coastal plains, they never feel it is very hot. It is always cool only. It is neither too hot or too cold. See, now let us see about the dust storm here. See, can you see children here? The pollution, whatever the coming out from the cars and the factories and then whatever, so vehicles, the dust, even though the northern part, they go for a work also. See here, and one more dust storm I will show here. See, can you see this? The air is blowing with a dust. So that is dust storm. Now, however, it is very humid. That is the almost of water vapor or the moisture in the air is high. The coastal plains, due to that sea breeze, it is almost very cold. Moisture in the air. The humid weather is uncomfortable. Now, humid weather means what? Humid means all we say chipku, it will be sweat type. Yes, that is called the moisture or the water drops. That is uncomfortable, you will not feel comfortable always. It is sticky, okay. Sticky will happen. So that is called uncomfortable as it makes us sweat. That humid means what? As it sweat coming out so a lot, and sweat takes long time to dry. So it is very uncomfortable. See now, here wind blow is there here, and then how the weather, can you see here, white color, the vapor, that is called humid, and then how it is sweaty type, so it takes a lot of time to dry there. Now come to the point of rainy season. We have completed our summer season and we'll come to the next part, that is the rainy season. Now what is rainy? It will start from June. Summer ends, yes, May or June, and then June we have start the month season, new season, that is rainy season. Onwards, winds full of moisture from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal starts flowing to the land. See this, what we having here? Seas, correct? Which sea are there here? Arabian Sea and one more, Bay of Bengal. So what happened due to that long sea? What will come? Sea breezes. What is that? Is nothing but a moisture. Full of moisture is coming. So how a rain will come? You all know, you have already studied that how the rain form. Summer we have a cycle, isn't it? What type of a cycle? Here water, summer season comes, our water evaporates and becomes condensation and come in the form of rain. It is our cycle. We have studied in the previous class, isn't it? So that all will be full of moisture from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal and start flowing to our land, and they are called monsoon winds. They bring rain to India. These all form a cloud, and from that what we get? Rain, isn't it? They bring rain to India. This season is called the monsoon season. So what is that? The wind, whatever the moisture is called, that due to air, wind is coming, it's blowing toward Earth's India side. So what it becomes? Cloud. So it brings rain to our India. The rainy season starts in June. In which part? South part. In north, it starts towards the last end of a June and beginning of July. The last week of a June or at the beginning of a July it will start, and it will continue till September. Okay. Now dear children, can you tell me which month is running now? Yes, August month. Correct. So which season is now? Rainy season. So daily you all observe that rain is coming. So which season? At presently which season is going on? Rainy season. So it started where you started, can you tell me? Yes, in the end of June, July it started, and it will, how much it will be there? Till September it will be rainy season. Some parts of India such as the western coast and the northeastern states get very heavy rain. This part what happened here, the western coast and the northeastern sides, it will get very heavy rain they will get. So for example, what we have in northeastern side, can you all tell me children? Mount see here, Mount Sinram in the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya receive the highest rainfall in India. So in Meghalaya, Khasi Hills near Mount receives highest rainfall in India. So let us see here. This is a map where we having here, I am showing a part where Meghalaya is there. In that Khasi Hills, Masnaram, okay, that east Khasi Hills where we get highest rainfall. Now parts of the northern plains and southern plateau receives heavy rainfall. These sides will get heavy rainfall. Now whereas come to the point of Rajasthan, nothing but the Thar desert. What we having here? We having a rainfall? No, due to desert we don't have water over there. So Rann of Kutch receives very little rainfall. Okay, we having a little rainfall. Can we see that? Lowest rainfall or the little rainfall in Rajasthan. See our India map where we can see here a Thar desert, and here Rann of Kutch having receives little rainfall. Now Coromandel coast. So now what are we having here? See, which sea here? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Due to that full of moisture, this due to sea all here, what we are coming to India land here? Full of moisture is coming to us here. So that full of moisture becomes cloud, and what will fall here? Yes, rain is coming. So here Coromandel coast. The Coromandel coast receives rain in which month? November and December month. Now we have finished our two parts, that is summer season we have finished, rainy season we have finished. Now come to the point of winter. Now from October, it starts from October. Now we have finished, rainy season will finish till September. A new season begins. What is that? Winter. From October onwards it starts becoming pleasant, as it when it starts the season will feel cool. There is no rain. Yes, winter season is cool, pleasant. There will be no hot and there is no rain. Okay, the sun is not too hot. The days start becoming shorter. Now here what happens here? The days are short and the day is very long. This marks the beginning of a winter. The days are short here. What happens here? The day is very short and the night what we having, that is very long. This makes it start of our winter season. It continues till February or March. Again, as the season cycle starts. Okay, January is the coldest month. When we go for January is very too cold. In this month what we are having, students, can you tell me? Yes, December, January, yes, Siddheshwar Yatra, isn't it? So winters are very cold in the Himalayas. In Himalayas it is be very cold. Always it be too cold, but as in winter season comes, it become too colder. Now many places have snowfall, isn't it? Yes. So the northern plains are cold. The cold decreases as we go south. From the north, as we come to down part, so it is become less. The coastal plains are pleasant during winters. Now snowfall, let us see this. Yes, this is snowfall. You love the student? So this is our end of our chapter or lesson. So let us remember what we will remember in this lesson. The equator. What is equator? Yes, I told you all, an imaginary line drawn around the middle of the earth, dividing into two halves. Humidity. We have come up with the new point also. What is that? Humidity. What is? Amount of water vapor or a moisture, we can call it, is in the air. The monsoon. What is monsoon? The winds that bring rain to India. So we have remembered those points. So let us, we have finished, we will do a recapitulation what it is here. The climate refers to the weather of a large area over a long period of a time. So here climate means what? What we have studied? It is weather of a large area over a long period of time. The climate depends on the distance of a place and the distance from the sea and the mountains. How a climate depends? It depends on the distance of a place and from the sea and the mountains. There are three main seasons are there. We have discussed what are they? Summer, monsoon and winter. Now the summer season, where it starts from the March or April and end in May or June. The rainy season starts from June to September and the winter is from October to February or March. So it is end up with your lesson that we have studied our lesson. Yes, isn't it? It is very interesting. Yes. So we did a recapitulation also, we have did, and what we have studied. Yes. Now thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.